Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using Hello Cupcake, which is a free celebration item. On this card, we're actually using 3 celebration items that you can earn for free, and this is the card that we're making. Let's get started. Okay, so first I'm going to bring in my Stampin' Up! Grid paper. And I have a piece of Whisper White, and it just needs to be big enough so you can punch a 1 3/4 circle. So I'm just going to put my embossing buddy here. And we are using Hello Cupcake, and I'm just going to use the sentiment Celebrate Your Day. This is a card that I made for my oldest daughter's birthday. She turned 20 on the 24th. I have that mounted on clear block C, and I'm just going to ink it up in my VERSAMARK. Put it down right here. And then I have my lovely lipstick embossing powder. Get that good and covered. So the other day when I was making this card for her, I had lost my embossing gun, my heat tool. I could not find it anywhere, and it had fallen behind my computer desk. I don't know even how it got there. I don't store it anywhere near there, but for whatever reason I was going crazy tearing up my craft room. Okay, let's get this heated up. All right. And like I said, we're going to come in with the 1 3/4 inch circle punch. Next, I'm going to come in with my 2-inch circle punch and my lovely lipstick foil paper. I absolutely love this foil paper. Got a scrap right here. Alright, so just like that. Alright, so I'm going to adhere this to the back of the lovely lipstick. And you know, let me take this out of the way, 'cause I can feel a little bit of the grittiness of the embossing powder. Okay, so I have 2 ribbons. I have the combo pack, the All My Love combo pack ribbon, and then I have the black shimmer ribbon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my tear and tape, and I'm just going to put it on the back here. Tear that off. All right. And then I'm going to peel the back off. Let's cut the same size ribbon here. And I'm just going to use this as a backing. Came out really pretty the other day. So you can center that just like that. Isn't that cute? All right, we're going to put this aside and start building this card. I have a 8.5 by 5.5, and it's scored at 4 1/4, and this is basic black. Then I have a 4 by 5 1/4 piece of lovely lipstick, and then from Botanical Butterfly, this is 3 3/4 by 5. So first of all, I'm going to adhere this onto the lovely lipstick. All right, now I'm going to put this in the center here. And I did put a little too much, but I wanted to make sure I had it good and covered. I'm going to put that down with some regular old tape. And then I am just going to trim these tails off. I don't want it to be so bulky whenever I try to. Oops. I'm going to try to adhere this down. So I have my SNAIL adhesive. And then I'm just going to put this here in the center. So just like that. And I have my sentiment. And I have these pearlized doilies. And what's good about these is, number one, you get so many. And number two, they're pearlized on one side and then they're just like a flat white on the other. And I'm going to go ahead and use just the flat white. So I'm going to come and get my silicone sheet. I'm going to put that down just like that. I'm going to put this in the middle there. I didn't get any adhesive on there. Let's try that again. Alright, we'll put adhesive on here. So just like that. Got one that didn't poke out. Then I'm going to pop that up with a Stampin' Dimensional. Or 4 rather. Pull these backs off. And there you go. A quick and simple birthday card. Thanks for watching. And if you need any of these supplies, you can click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!